Alexa, turn on my hall spots. Okay, that was pretty cool, right? Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting because I'll be converting my simple home into a smart and futuristic home. Now this video can be very useful for a lot of you people out there because who doesn't want their home to be smart? Everybody would like to control their home appliances either using voice commands or maybe touch controls or maybe using your phone, right? Like imagine some of your relative comes home and you just sit in your sofa and say, "Hey Alexa, turn on the fan," or maybe turn on the TV. That would be pretty awesome, right? And today in this video, we'll be doing that only exactly. Now, some of you people might say, "Hey Vimal, but there are already smart appliances in the market now, like maybe smart AC or maybe smart TV with Alexa integration." But let me tell you, for that, you need to do like a separate investment. You need to get that particular product, new edition, and on top of that, only that particular product will be smart. What about the other stuff at your home, like maybe your regular tube lights or your existing products? Using the product which I'll be showing you in today's video now, you can convert your existing home into a smart home. You don't need to buy any new technology gadgets or anything. And that is the specialty, guys. And I'm like super excited about this. So this particular product is made by Schneider Electric. And let me tell you, Schneider Electric is a very old company. They've been in this market since many years and they recently came into like smart home automation category and came up with this new product known as Visor, and using this we'll be doing all of this stuff today. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, let me quickly unbox and show you the Visor from Schneider Electric. There is nothing much to unbox over here, but anyways I wanted to give you all a closer look so you'll get a better understanding. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this video was sponsored by the brand, so a big thanks to them. So the Schneider's Visor comes in this sort of box packaging. It's actually available in terms of packages like 1 BHK package, 2 BHK package and 3 BHK depending on your home requirement. And these packages usually include a Visor automation gateway, which is this big box right now in my hand. This is like the main hub, guys, which links Wi-Fi or internet to your home devices so you can smartly control them through your phone. Along with that, you also get a couple of other small modules like a 4-channel relay, fan speed controller, light dimmer module and stuff like that. The names are pretty much self-explanatory, but I'll tell you what they do in a moment. So there you go, this is how Schneider's Visor automation gateway looks like. It's a simple module with a couple of ports on the backside. You need to power it up using the provided adapter and connect a LAN cable to it from your router to this gateway and set it up using Schneider's Visor India app on your phone. As I've told you before guys, this acts like the main hub to which you'll be pairing all these other modules like the relays, fan controllers and dimmers, so you can control all of them through your smartphone's app. Giving a closer look, here's how all these Visor modules look like. This particular one is a fan plus light controller. That means you can control one fan and one light using it. And don't worry about the installation, you don't need to do that. An expert technician will come from the company's side and do it for you. As you can see, all these are Visor modules only, look quite similar, only the function and the specs differ from each other. Okay, let me tell you about the installation part. As I've told you just now, there is nothing you need to do for the installation. An expert technician will come from the brand side to your place, and depending on your availability, he'll come to your place, visit and also do the complete installation for you. And let me tell you, the installation part was very simple. What I was surprised is whenever you look at these sort of electrical components, right, you might get some idea like maybe some sort of modification is required at your place, maybe some sort of rewiring has to be done, but there is nothing like that involved, guys. The technician didn't do any sort of rewiring. He didn't need to replace any sort of part also. We can use this with our existing home only and no need to even change any sort of switch or switchboard also. So once he visits the place, he'll start with the installation of first the gateway, guys. So he'll just connect a power adapter to the gateway and connect a LAN cable from your router to this gateway and set it up using Schneider's Visor India app. And after that, he'll start with the installation of your Visor modules, the 4 fan controllers and also those 4-channel relays and dimmers depending on your requirement. So first he'll ask you in which room of your house do you want to install these modules, like maybe bedroom, living room or bathroom, and depending on your requirement you should tell him, and based on that now he'll use those modules to control all the appliances. For example, take that fan controller. Fan controller module can be used to control one fan and one light in any room. And if you take that 4-channel relay, see, 4-channel relay can be used to operate 4 fans or maybe 4 lights, any 4 low power devices. And if you want to use like a high power device, you want to control that using that relay, then the guy will parallel the channels, and so that it can take that load. For example, if you want to control maybe like a chimney or maybe like a geyser in your bathroom, that time he'll use 2 channels per product so that you can control it. And for example, if you want to control something high powered like an AC up to 2 ton, then he'll use all the 4 channels to connect that AC, because AC is like quite powerful item, right, high wattage, and that is the reason he'll have to use all the 4 channels of that module. It's like that, guys. So depending on your requirement, he'll do all the connection. He'll simply open up the switchboards, place those visor modules inside and connect the wiring accordingly. And after that, a small pairing process will be involved where you'll need to pair those respective visor modules with the gateway, and after that you're all good to go. And this pairing can be easily done through the smartphone app only, and that also will be done by the technician, so you don't need to worry about anything. Overall, very nicely done, and this whole process took around like 2 to 2.5 hours for my home, and it can vary up to like 3 or 4 hours also, depending on how big your home is and how many rooms you want to smart automate. And that is it, guys, the whole complete installation process. Okay guys, now that my home is completely automated, everything is smart, I can easily control them either using Schneider's Visor India app or even using my voice controls with the help of Alexa. Now I'll be giving you like a demo on how this thing works. So basically guys, you can control any sort of appliance in your home in 3 methods. So first thing is you can directly control them using your regular switches in the switchboards. So you can manually toggle like this, guys, the usual method. Simple, effective, this is also working. Now second thing is you can control all the appliances in your home using Schneider's Visor India app, which you need to install on your phone. So you can basically control directly from your phone also. And the third and the most easiest way of controlling the appliances is using Alexa. Now for this Alexa, now you can use any sort of Alexa powered device, like maybe Alexa's Echo Dot, Amazon's Echo Dot, or maybe any Echo product, or you can even install Alexa app on your phone and give voice commands to Alexa and toggle everything on or off at your home. So right now we are in my hall, and as you can see, everything is turned off, right? Now I'll give you a demo and I'll power on few items and I'll show you how this thing works. So we've got an Echo Dot over there. So let's ask Alexa only everything. Alexa, turn on the hall spots.
Okay.
That was awesome, right? So like this, you can ask Alexa to turn on lights or maybe fans or maybe anything, guys, whichever is connected to Visor module in that particular room. Alexa, turn on the hall fan.
Okay.
That's pretty awesome. Alexa, turn off the hall fan.
Okay.
And there you go, off. So guys, like this, you can not only control the power on off, but you can even adjust the fan speed using Alexa. That option is also there. And apart from that, for example, if you want to control any particular appliance, like maybe your TV or maybe any connected sound bar, you can do that also. So let's quickly power on my TV and I'll give you a demo on that as well. Alexa, turn on the TV power.
Okay.
And there you go, our TV is on. This is pretty awesome, right? So just like this, guys, anybody can use Alexa to control all your appliances in your home. Just like this, my bathrooms, my bedrooms, they are also like completely automated using Schneider's Visor, and I can easily control my geysers, chimneys, and ACs, basically anything that is connected to Visor. And best part is, not just you, anybody in your home can control it very easily, even like your parents or maybe grandparents, because these days Alexa also supports like regional languages like Hindi, right? They can also say like, Alexa, ye device on kar do, that device on kar do, and it'll easily do that. Very easy control, guys. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly give you a closer look at Schneider's Visor app also, and I'll tell you basically what you can do from that app. The name of the app is Visor India, available on both Play Store and App Store, and here's how the home screen on it looks like. So basically you can control all your home appliances at your fingertips using this app, no matter where you are in the world. We have a couple of tabs over here, like in the devices category you can control room wise, like clicking my hall opens up fans and light controls, and I can easily toggle the power on or off and even adjust the fan speeds in 4 different steps. Along with that, one more nice feature is you can even schedule your devices to automatically power on at a particular time. For example, every day when you come home from office, you can schedule the geyser or maybe AC to automatically power on so that they'll be ready for you by the time you arrive at your home. Or you can even program in this tab called as moments so that you can toggle all the devices at a time on or off with just a single touch. Quite convenient feature. And for the past few days I've been using it, right? Everything was working well and I actually enjoyed the whole experience. So that is pretty much it. That was how I automated my entire home using Schneider's Visor smart home automation tech. I haven't told you about the pricing, right? Visor is available in different packages in India and costs around 40,000 rupees for automating 2 rooms in your home. And after that, you can even scale up the automation for more rooms for 5 to 7,000 rupees extra depending on the requirement. I'll leave links for all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.